Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super important yet often overlooked, our liver health. This mighty organ in our body does a lot for us, from cleaning out toxins to helping digest food and even keeping our energy levels balanced. But sometimes it can get into trouble, and that's what we're talking about today. Imagine your liver as a superhero that's fighting off bad guys like too much booze, harmful viruses, extra fat from junk food, and even some unlucky genes that make it harder for the liver to do its job. When these villains get too strong, our superhero can get overwhelmed, leading to problems like swelling, scarring, or even liver failure. Sounds scary, right? But here's the good news. Catching these issues early and making some lifestyle tweaks can make a huge difference. So, what are these liver villains? First up, we have hepatitis, which is when the liver gets inflamed, usually because of viruses or too much alcohol. Then there's fatty liver disease, where fat builds up in the liver, and this can happen even if you don't drink alcohol. Scarring of the liver, or cirrhosis, is when the liver gets so damaged it can't heal. Liver cancer and autoimmune diseases, where the body attacks the liver, are also big challenges. But how do you know if your liver is in trouble? Look out for signs like yellow skin or eyes, pain or swelling in your belly, itchy skin, dark pee, pale poop, feeling super tired, getting sick to your stomach, and bruising easily. If you notice any of these, it's time to chat with a doctor. Preventing liver problems means living a healthy lifestyle. Drink alcohol only in moderation, keep a healthy weight, stay safe from infections, get vaccinated against hepatitis, stay away from toxins, and don't share needles or personal items like razors. Eating right and staying active are also key. Think fruits, veggies, lean meats, and foods packed with good fats and antioxidants. Speaking of food, some liver-loving options include berries, leafy greens, whole grains, nuts, seeds, fish, poultry, and foods rich in omega-3s like salmon. Foods that help detoxify, like garlic and beets, are great too. And let's not forget about green tea. On the flip side, try to avoid processed and fatty foods, too much sugar, refined carbs, and of course, too much alcohol. For those looking for home remedies, simple changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big impact. Drinking warm lemon water, adding turmeric to your meals, and sipping on green tea can support your liver. Milk thistle is a popular supplement known for its liver benefits, but always talk to a healthcare provider before trying anything new. And don't forget about exercise. Getting your body moving helps reduce liver fat and fights off obesity, a big risk factor for liver issues. Whether you enjoy walking, swimming, cycling, or even yoga and Pilates, find what works for you and stick with it. Taking care of your liver is all about making smart choices for your overall health. Start small, make changes gradually, and always consult with healthcare professionals when trying new things. Remember, your liver works hard for you, so let's show it some love in return. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care of your liver, and it'll take care of you. See you in the next video.